Hey, what's up, y'all? So here with another unboxing of the Nvidia Shield. I heard so much good things about this product right here, especially from the emulator community. I heard that this is one of the best Android box from 2000, I think 15 or 16. It's been the best one since, and I never had one before, but I was always curious. I didn't really like the design a little bit. It looks kind of like a jet fighter or something like that. But it kind of grew onto me a little bit. I don't like the remote, so this is the one without the remote, as in controller, because I think that controller is like hideous. It reminds me of something of like Deus Ex Mankind Divided. Like it's like it came out of a game like that. That's what it's made for. But besides that though, everything else I kind of like. Now I didn't really get the remote control because I heard that you can also use your Xbox controller and you can also use your PS4 controller during with Bluetooth. So I'm happy about that. I could just connect it through Bluetooth like that. So this is a 16 gigabyte version. They have a 500 gigabyte version, but I honestly don't need that one. It's $100 more when you can just easily buy a external device for it. So without further ado, let's open this up. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and my trusty surgical tool. Had this thing for a minute. Go ahead and pop that open. And see if we can slide this up. Also, I heard that Nvidia GeForce, the streaming app they have, is also free. So you get to play games for free on that. Damn, this thing is kind of small. There's a presentation of it. Yeah, you can play the games for free. Like, I'm interested in seeing how The Witcher 2 looks. And this is the remote. It is voice. It has voice command, so you can speak into it. It's pretty hefty though. It's kind of heavy. It's way heavy. That's the remote for that, and this is the unit itself. This is the smaller one, unlike the 2000 and I think 17 one. This is smaller. It doesn't have a slot, a micro SD slot like the older one, and doesn't have optical drive as the other one. But this one has 4K, and that's what all I care about. I didn't expect it to be this small, but it's small. Alright, so let's put that there. Put this there and go inside this box and see what else we get. So we get the power cable, which I don't like off the bat because I was planning on putting this thing in my power conditioner. And this thing is just huge, but the cord is very thick. I like the thickness of the cord. That means it can hold power, but I wish it was just the regular, regular power one. But you can't always get what you want, in life. That's how it goes. And we do have a manual start guide and stuff that I'm never gonna read or pick up. Is there anything in here? No, I don't think there's anything else in here. Unlike the Roku, it did come with yeah, there's nothing else in here. Shake. No. So unlike the Roku, it came with a couple more accessories. This one doesn't. It's just the controller and the unit itself. But that's all you really need because I'm not really gonna use it for anything else but to my emulators. So every emulator, and if you guys have emulators that work good for the Nvidia Shield, let me know, because this is just gonna be my emulator console. I have the PlayStation, I have the Xbox, and this is gonna be my old school games. Now I have the PS3, the fat console, the launch edition, but it crapped out on me. I don't see no display. It's just sound I hear from it. So I decided to just go this and buy some emulators, and post some videos on the channel of how emulators run on it, how it looks on this TV. Now, 16 gigabytes was I think it's decent enough for emulators and the games and the ROMs and stuff like that. But knowing me, I just had to just overdo it. So all my devices have external hard drive, so I figured why not get one for this, and I picked up this 4 terabyte. Now 4 terabyte is a kind of a overkill, but go big or go home. That's what I said. So open this up, and this is gonna be solely for my emulators and for my ROMs. Nothing in here. It's a smaller one, so I have it to match the shield. Go ahead and open this up if I can. Jeez. Alright, finally. So it's kind of a smaller version of what I have for my PlayStation. The booklet that I'm never going to read. I don't know what they should just do them like a PDF on the internet and call it a day without wasting paper. The USB cord to connect it to the shield, and the unit itself. It's so tiny. It's like a match made in heaven. Just like 2 tiny little things. 2 tiny little things. So yeah, I just picked this up solely for emulators. So like I said, if you guys know any emulators out there, I know Dolphin emulators one, and the PSX is another one, but I think that's probably the only ones that I know that really work good for emulating old school games. Got little feet. Yeah, this is beautiful. It's so small. I was not expecting it to be this small. Damn. So cute. It's so nice. So they do have a stand for this, but why buy a stand? You guys can see them properly. Like a match made in heaven. So that's it. I'm gonna put up some videos later on, when I play with it and stuff like that. This does support HDR and on YouTube, Amazon, Netflix, all the good stuff. It supports HDR. It does Atmos, it does DTSX, and all the bells and whistles. Very powerful mini console, and I'm happy I bought it. So now it's another one added to the whole setup over there that I have, which is basically everything that I would ever need in life. But that's the unboxing of the Nvidia Shield 2018. So you guys let me know any emulators that I could put on this bad boy, and that's about it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.